what the hell?
Shane.
Huh?
My sister's beautiful. Huh?
Yes, I already said that.
Stop.
Stop! That's what's FaceTime for. To show your face.
Be quiet, idiot bitch.
Stop talking to me like that.
She has you in your lock screen.
I know. I have her as my lock screen too. Ah! He just knocked me out. But I still chopped the other dude though, so I'm fine. I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci. Move, you bum. Alright, come on. Damn. Shut up. Shut up.
Put the fucking thing back.
Shut in my line. My slut. My slut. Slut.
Fuck that. Kinda broke.
Look at my schedule.
What? Diana, please don't stop. Tú lo vas a borrar.
Oh, this bum. You air it, right? Yo. He taught me what? Can you stop screaming now? Thank you. Shut up. Like, just shut up. You're glitch fighting right now, and you're telling me, telling them not to glitch fight. What?
Get you so bad for attacking.
Shut up. Like, nobody wanna be hearing that on the phone. So attack her back. That's done and done. Like, do you not know how to fight? You claim to say that you punched your boy in the nose and it was bleeding. Your life is temporary to me. Oh, he running around Chavi. Bet. Wait, you have the tube too? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
A Dutch smash? What the fuck? What the fuck? That's my girl.
That's a fact, bro. That's a fact. Think you gonna run around chop me this time? Nope. Nope.
Hurry up, man. Tiene que bajarlo.
Thought he was gonna run around and chop me that time.
No.
So sad. So. At least. Ah.
Don't post that shit. You gotta more post that.
Damn, I'm ashy. God damn. Please turn that off.
Turn what off?
That song off.
Turn it off. Fuck yeah, don't post it. I think you're gonna post that shit. I thought you were gonna post every other one to say.
He said no glitch fighting. Stop glitch fighting.
Again? I mean, more Dutch.
Ah. What the hell? How does he what?
What the fuck, Diana? Ow!
Here we go. Wait, what? How did I one punch you, bro?
What the fuck?
Boom!
Oh, let me fucking change this phone.
Oh, you was low?
This fucking stinks like shit.
Look. Keep on going toward me. Oh my god, it keeps on locking onto you. He chop. Bro, that's it. No. That's it. Ready for it. Get ready, bro. Let's get ready.
How the fuck I did this yesterday? I forgot. Oh. What the fuck? I forgot how I turned on the candle. How the hell I turned it on? I forgot. Yeah, I turned on the candle.
Think I'm playing now, huh?
I don't remember how
Huh?
I did that.
should have chopped him right there. Stupid.
Wait, I'm coming. I'm turning on the camera thing.
Honey, no. I'm coming. Shut up.
It looks like that. What? What do you want me to come for?
Well, I know he is. He's not listening. He's not listening to his Lord, his Father. Who is singing my song? Wait, hold up. No, who's playing my song? How? None of your love and the shame, man. Nothing to me, it's crazy, cause I gave my trust, it's just shame. Baby girl, now I'm gonna show you what's up. Swear my mother, I better roll up. Doing something for nothing. You try to say you was there, but you wasn't. It's a shame that you told me it's cause you love the game. I trust it's just a shame. Patient, I swear my mother on battle up. Something for nothing. You try to say you was there, but you wasn't. Get back for me, I'm in on the line now. Bet. Keep on punching your Lord.
What the fuck?
Oh wow, so this bum used the optimizer just to kill me. You scum. You scum. You scum. Leave me alone, scum. Also, hop over it, I dare you. I can't give you one because it doesn't let me drop it in this game.
What? Fucker.
So, yo, you gonna stop. You gon' bro. Bro, he's hacking. Shut up, bro. You just made me die. Like, really, shut up. I'm talking to Swaylet.
Swaylet. My name is not Swaylet. It's Swaylet.
Swaylet.
My name is not Swaylet.
Swaylet. I don't care.
Fuck you.
What? You said that I could call you whatever. Sway.
I'm playing with you.
You could. I could call you Let.
You could call me Let, fucker, anything. I don't give a fuck what it is.
You see, you just said it right now. Oh, damn, that hurt. Hey, hey.
She said call her.
She said call her what? Can't hear you, bum. Bum, bop. She said what? Bro, stop using the optimizer! Are you retarded? Dang! game. Kill me without the optimizer. I dare you. Watch when I chop you.
Stop, Diana. I didn't say anything. I said, Diana. Do that again, I'll smack you. Stop.
What she said?
She said nothing.
Oh my god. That's a fact, machine. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, wait.
She said, what's your name there?
No, she didn't say what's your name. She was about to tell me what you said.
Shut up, Diana. She keeps saying, don't even listen to her. She keeps saying, call me something. I didn't even know what she said.
I don't know why you can't just be honest about it.
She didn't say anything. I swear to God, she didn't say anything.
Yes, she did because I heard her.
So what she said then? What she said?
She was about to say something, but then you muted you. You muted yourself. You see, you're doing it right now. So you use the optimizer to get people low, and then you just kill them, right? Yeah, you bum. You're a bum. You're the god of bums.
It was never on mute.
It was on mute.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Alright, so say what you had to say again, Brianna.
Nothing. Diana. Stop.
Bro, Soy, let it stop. Damn.
Diana,
Say it. Say it already. You don't want to be fucking honest. No, mind that nigga. I ain't picking up the phone. I ain't even gonna decline it. Oh, my Coca-Cola. My Coca-Cola is killing me in my mouth. Oh. My Coca-Cola is killing me in my mouth. But you know you can't get me though. Oh man, bro, I'm finna leave this match, bro, cause you keep on using the optimizer like you're a bum. You bummy rolling.
Oh, you mad? Shorty's mad because you hang up the phone. I'm gonna tell you what I said. Yo, Diana. Okay.
Wait, what?
Damn, that's tough. Diana, stop saying stuff. I did not say anything.
You probably did. You just don't want to own up to it.
I'm not owning up to it because I didn't say anything. She's the one that's saying stuff.
Okay, whatever. Oh, I like that light. That's looking mad sexy.
If you want to be happy, okay, fine. Tell her, Diana. Whatever. It is not true. Are you happy now she's gonna tell you?
Tell me then. I'm waiting. Bro, you see the little circle that's with it, bro? That's fire.
Nah, Solid. I was never trying to prank you. Prank you was just a prank. But like, wait, before she said that you're one of the.
You're gonna have to do it out for now.
Cutest boys that she ever had. That's the only thing I was gonna tell you, but she didn't want me to tell you.
Well, at least you already told me now.
She's man. Yo, bitch, get your fucking singing asshole.
You need something, huh? One of your rides? Let me know.
So my straight blazer is the store.
Okay, I got stuff to do.
Never mind.
Morse Mutual, how can I be of service? I can do that.
She's mad.
Wow. Why is she mad? Like, there's nothing to be mad of. There's nothing to be mad for.
It's your business.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. Yo, y'all gonna kill all y'all dogs up in there, bro. I'm telling you. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I know you were there. Nah, you kicked the dog. You kicked the dog on purpose. You killer.
No, I didn't.
Your life is little too. Now let me stop. You don't care if your life is little? Bro, that's crazy. No, yes you did. Cause I said, what? You're not in the mood because your sister said something? That's crazy. Wow. Wow. It's nothing to be mad for. You're mad because you're screaming. You're screaming. At first, you're screaming. How am I mad? You're the one that's screaming. Oh my god. Alright, chillax, chillax, chillax. I was just playing, chillax. So we got Jamie in my session, we got Iron Boy in my session, and then who else we got? We got Machine in my session. Iron Boy, you remember Spider?
Oh, yeah.
Exactly, I'm in your session. Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Join my thing. What you mean by join your thing? No, because ba ba ba
She said she's gonna go take a shower. No, I'm not gonna. You know, I'm like...
ew, you dirty. She says she a virgin, is her and I'm a virgin when I put that work in. Oh, now I know it. Alright, I'm gonna stay at my house. Just buzz my garage though. When you come to my house, just buzz my garage so I can let you in.
Why? I have my car with me. I want you to see my car.
Alright, so I'm gonna come outside then. That be me.
Okay.
That be me up. Yeah. Yes!
Remember when I had all those ugly cars? Like, those ugly cars? No.
Yeah.
I have a newer car.
Oh, yo, cool. Bitch ass no money, yo. How? Oh, hell no.
What's your house? Fuck you too, bitch. Man, you don't see it? No.
Come on, but now, cut your bitch ass off. You know, one of your motherfucking little Disney things. Come your bitch ass outside, dog. Stop playing.
Hey, don't show me I ain't do nothing to you. What's your problem? Like, what's your problem?
What is happening?
Now niggas don't want to come out. They do shit.
I'm already out.
So why the fuck you shoot?
I didn't kill you. Oh, I see you, Iron Boy. See you. And that's not even me killing you, kid. No, I'm not talking about you.
Get that motherfucker. I'm not getting that motherfucker. You got rob this shit alone.
Somebody's shooting rockets. I don't feel safe no more. Huh? Machine. Bet. I'm coming. What are you doing, bro? Oh my god. Hello, let me see this car though. Oh, you got that car? Oh, you're shooting at him? Oh, I'm not killing him. I don't want no problems. I like that swerving. Ooh. Bro, get off my mans right now. Oh, that's Machine. Do not kill him. Do not kill Machine. That's my friend. I said do not kill Machine. That's my friend. Chillax. Bro, Machine, invite him to the motorcycle club. Invite Iron Boy. Iron Boy, just join it when he sends you it.
Hi there.
I need to get like a knife.
You should try it on.
Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, 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 ho, hey, hey, ho, hey, hey. You talking to me? Bro, stop talking to me like that.
Welcome.
No, shut up.
How old are you, 5?
No, I'm not 5, actually, just for your information.
What?
Bro, shut
You
up.
can find those anywhere
Get that
else.
in your brain. Shut up. Oh my god. Oh, no. Bro, I'm trying to find this thing, but I can't find it.
Oh crap!
What happened?
What happened?
Stop copying me. Bro, I'm gonna hang up the phone. Bro, you're not gonna smack nobody. Damn. You always play around too much. Stop mimicking me.
Those are selling like hotcakes.
What the hell?
Okay, I don't know what was happening because it kicked me out for some reason. Did anyone want to get my car? Do you guys want to get in my car?
I'm talking to you.
Help.
Bro, Iron Boy, join the join the motorcycle club.
Those are selling like hotcakes.
Iron Boy, join the motorcycle club.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Bye. Enjoy your purchase.
Y'all want to get in my car?
You be getting me tight sometimes. Damn.
Does anyone want to get in my car?
Bro, where did he get it from?
That material is imported.
I need
There's a huge fight out here. Get in me, get it all dead. that car.
Okay, I'll get you tight. Thank you.
Okay, get out of the store.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm dead. Why did our teammate just kill me?
Wait, Iron Boy, join Machines Motorcycle Club.
What? Join what?
Join Machines Motorcycle
I
Club.
don't know what I'm supposed to be. I can't join.
Well, you can't join.
I'm pretty sure your friend's trying to kill me.
He's not trying to kill you. He just texted me to tell you to join it. Just go on your phone, right?
Join it.
Why?
You never invited me.
Bro, Machine, invite him again. He's Machine said why he ain't joining.
Who's your friend? Is your friend the one that has like the military helmet?
He said military
If it
helmet?
is, he's in one. He's getting one. Like the one with like goggles or something, whatever it's called. Honestly, I don't care what it's called. He keeps killing me.
Make sure you come back.
Okay, now I'm just getting super annoyed.
Wait, you talking about the guy that's... You talking about Banana?
Oh my. Okay, I'm going to top.
Apparently he just blew up your car.
I can see you wearing that.
Who just blew up my car?
The guy that just killed you.
No, he didn't.
Well, he shot a rocket at me, and your car was in the
Come in, look around.
and your car was in the front of the door.
Yeah, so.
That material is imported.
My car's still there. It's not even blowing up.
Let me know if you need help.
Is anyone gonna even get in my car?
Take as long as you like.
Spider, get in my car.
I'm trying to find something. Can't do that.
Spider. Wait till the
Those are so comfortable.
No, I didn't want to buy that. Oh my god, bro. He said that he's inviting you, but you're not joining.
Colors.
He hasn't even invited me once.
Bro, go on your phone and go on job list.
I'm here if you need me.
Job list. Okay, there we go. I got it.
Finally.
Did you find your size? Lose the police, then come back.
I'm not playing with them anymore. I'm playing with them. If it's one of my friends,
Red. Are you in now? Oh, he said help me. Bet. Who killing you, bro?
Those are selling fast.
nope.
Bro, he just blew up my car, bro.
Oh. Can you help? Spider?
I'm trying to, but I
Morse
can't get
Mutual.
close to him.
We're here to help.
Yeah,
I can do that.
because you're still in the shop. You haven't even got out of it. That's why.
No, I'm not. I've been out of it.
No, you haven't. You've been in there like the whole entire time.
No, I haven't. I'm out.
Go get things to jump.
What? Look, he's shooting me. He's shooting me. Oh my god.
There's no way you can lose this, man. I might just end this so I don't have to.
Bro, oh my god. What is your problem? I'm done with this, man.
Now your friend actually killing me, little 12,000.
No, that's not even my friend.
What are you changing my outfit for?
Bro, stop changing my outfit. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Who shot me? Where are you guys at? Bro, bad teammates, bro. If I got a sniper, I'm sniping all y'all, bro. That's what I'm saying. So do not let me go to the gun store.
No! How could you?
I was just doing dang. What you mean by you was just doing dang?
What?
No, because Machine, he just said he was just doing
Oh my
dang.
god.
He doesn't think I don't have. Oh, you were doing something? My bad. Bro, can we leave this session?
I don't know how, so.
You don't know how to leave a session?
Nope.
I hate that. What? What? Okay.
And stop killing our stop killing our.
Wait, is my car blown up? Don't tell me my car is blown up.
He blew up my car.
Oh, no, cops. Cops, get the hell out of here. There's this guy that has the bike.
Do not kill me. Do not kill me.
No, my car's right here. Okay, you see. Why is my
I'm
car?
here to help you.
Don't blow up my car.
Take your time.
Oh, I need help. The cops are on me.
Bye. Enjoy your purchase.
You need help?
Bro, can I try to hover car, mic for a little bit?
Who just killed Machine, bro? Stop killing us.
Wait, can I
Machine.
hover mic?
Machine, do not kill.
Oh, thank you. Here, can I kill a police with it? Come on! Oh! Oh my god!
You don't even know how to drive the thing.
Exactly.
All right, let me drive it now. Let me drive it now.
No, you have to.
What you said?
Jesus Christ! I can't make the bomb city.
Bro, that's a Presso Mach 2. This is your version. Can I ride it now?
Hey, I was still riding it, but then I jumped out on accident. I might have blown it up.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm bullying my dude. I joined, bro. Oh. Wait, what is your name? The guy that's been killing us? Do you have any,
Bro, let me drive.
vehicles that hover?
Let me drive.
Cause I want to, like, drive something that's better than my car. Cause my car sucks. It's only like 123 grand for my car. It's not even that much. How do I have the cops on me?
My bike is over here. He said follow me. What do you mean by follow you? Bro, banana. Invite machine. You know machine? That tried to kill you and then you killed him. Yeah, invite him to the MLC. Follow me to the mash shop.
Whoa, Jesus.
Little TJSB, I'm the one and only. Anybody know me? Working. Season she a version. Never show me love when my pockets hurting. And then slurping. Wait, who killed the machine? No, because one of you guys killed him. Alright, so banana. Machine, do not kill any more of us. He's gonna invite you to the thing. To the,
do you have any other vehicles that I can drive? Wait, what? I can barely hear you.
Bro, banana. Banana.
Stop.
Everybody know me. Okay, it's hurting. This is your version.
Is there any way you can turn off your mic? Oh, that's a little better.
Just machine, just stop killing him. He'll stop killing you.
Does someone have a vehicle that I can drive that's cool?
I do.
Oh my god, this guy just killed me again.
It's like you're a whole nother person.
Stop killing him. Oh my god, machine. And it's slurping.
Oh, banana?
Banana.
Can you come help me kill this guy?
no competition, bro. I think you wanna do that, little TJ.
Did I show you where my apartment is? No!
Which name is he talking about? He said look at the name. Which name?
What?
He said to look at the name.
Who did?
He said, no, he said for me to look at a name, but I don't know which name he's talking about. I wanna do that. You ain't no competition, boy. I think you wanna do that, huh? I love TJ. That killing you. You mean look at your. I think you wanna do that. I love TJ.
Banana, what are you doing? What the hell?
Oh. He said that he said that he's in the club.
Banana helped me a lot. He just like came out of the way and started killing me. Guys, let's have a car
You ain't
show.
no competition, boy. I think you wanna do that. No.
Guys, you want a car show?
No, TJ.
Guys, you want a car
Bye,
show?
friend.
Let's have a car show at,
Let's have nothing.
let's have a car at, let's see. Los Santos Custom. Go there and have a car show. Banana.
honey.
You want a car show at, Los Santos Custom? And I'm the first one there.
You're going to be the first one there because I'm not even like. You're gonna be the first one there because
Anything you need?
you're
Just ask.
over there. Like you're
No!
closer there.
This guy's trying to kill me.
Bro.
But this guy's on the same team as me.
Your wish is my command.
How is he trying to kill you but you're on the same team? That does not make sense.
Pretty sure we're on the same team.
Feel free to flag me down if you want something. If you have any questions, I'm here.
I thought we were doing
We've got
the car
biggest
show.
selection in San Andreas.
Well, we can't really do the car show when we have somebody trying to kill us.
I'll pick you while you guys
Does somebody have a car I can drive or something? Or I can fly? Do they have? Wait, Banana, can I fly that?
He says somebody pick him up.
Oh, jeez. I'm not like he's gonna kill us all. He's gonna pick us up. Yes, you did. You were trying to kill me.
We have more in the back.
How do you like my outfit, guys?
Thanks. Hope you have a great day.
Somebody pick me up.
Honestly, I don't know what my car is anymore.
He said that, Machine said that he needs money. Bro, let me use it. Let me use it. Oh, damn. I'm dead. Damn.
What? Break this here.
Hey, you said you'd be here by now, honey. Oh my God.
Guys, do you want me to pick you guys up?
No, just kill yourself.
What?
Machine is over there. Guys, how do you like my outfit? Do you like my outfit? And look over here. You see my goggles? How did you get the, bro, do you know how to get the red joggers?
Yeah.
Do you know how to get the red joggers? Do you have an MC? Mobile Operation Center? Alright, so start up the, like, can you get me the red joggers, please? Would you?
Oh, jeez, Banana.
Can you get me them? This is the Commandy tank.
Banana, do you have a tracking drive or something? Okay.
Oh, kill him. Who's? Bro, go get in the back. Bro, start it. Oh yeah, you right. It's actually good. Wait, you said stay in here? Wait, I'm gonna stay in the circle then. Damn! Oh, we get 30K off this. Yeah, you come over here. If you come over here, you die. Yeah, that's good. So get your guns out.
Car right here. If you guys want to drive this car right here, you can. My car. Right here.
Bro, why you didn't get the armored Karuma? Get your guns out.
I can drive my vehicle if you want.
You come over here, you die.
Banana, do you want to drive my car? This one?
What's up, Blue Panther?
Oh, hi. Banana, what is that like me? Ow. Like, who would win? The tank? Okay, obviously not me. Wait, can I get in this? Okay, so it's like that spider?
I'm playing with you, bro. What? Bet. Bam, come here. Machine, go kill him. Machine, go.
I was gonna come in this tank and try and come in this over. I was gonna pull my hydro. I'm going to bed.
We need, bro, Iron Boy. We need you to stay over to the standard ground. Get out of the tank.
Oh, yo, thanks, bro. I'll come in this studio standard ground, yo.
Go. Dare you. Dare you. Got him. That's not my boyfriend, bro. Chillax, bro. You're bugging.
Stop raging, okay? I'm not raging. What are you talking about? I'm laughing. You are. You're like, oh. Oh, what? Bro, I didn't even stop you. You are not killing. You wish.
Yo, let me go handle this business, bro.
Oh, stop hiding, yo. That's all you know how to do is hide, yo. Banana, let me kill somebody. You're not even gonna kill me, yo. I'm not trying to. I got plenty of sticky bombs, yo. Oh my god, bro, your little boyfriend over here, yo. So garbage. Bro, you can't even get out of the plane. I'm doing my thing. You can't. That's right, you can't. You're too scared, yo. Hey, you are scared? Oh, I don't know. Oh, come on, bro.
Was somebody over here? Nah, let me take him, bro. Somebody over here? Bet. Move, machine. I got him. Bum.
Yeah, you can't. You're trash, bro. Your KD is garbage. It is, bro. Your KD is booty. Yeah, nice.
You could have a low KD, but you could still be good at the game. It doesn't matter about your KD.
No.
Oh, you bum.
Check my KD, my KD is 109. Banana, what do you need? KD, ooh. Yeah, I bet you spawn kill. How much you wanna bet? This is so crap, yo. You spawn kill. How much you wanna bet? Yeah, you know spawn kill.
Bro, after this, how about we do a run and gun?
Alright, yeah, run and gun. I dare you, kid.
Don't try me, because I killed you more than you killed me.
Banana, these kids are toxic. Bet, I'm gonna fight you right now, kid.
Let me get him. Don't. Do not kill him. Let me get him. Dummy. I'm sorry, bro. But... Bro, we're so far away. We're so far away from it. We can't have nobody stealing it. Nah. Blue Panther, come over here.
I'm not even using my
I am good, actually. That's not... If I wasn't good, what is the kill feed telling me, bro?
What? I can't hear you. Put your file on McDonald's money. Come on now. Get back on my Happy Meal, kid. Okay. Banana, want me to drive this thing? Okay.
Actually, not yet.
I'm not afraid to come after y'all. That's the thing, though. You just took off my whole hood.
Oh my god, yes, I did. Oh. Retarded? Look at you, using a rocket now, buddy? You can't run around the corner, that's all you are, is just a phone. That's all you are. You got a tank and I use an RPG? Bad. Bro, for your level, I'm just saying, bro, you're good. Bro, that RNG kid, you over here saying is better than me, then RNG.
No, let's start up like after this.
You got like 5 dollars after me, so like how much fuck did you get, yo?
Come on, bro. Come on. I already said start up a.
Stop running, yo. That's all you do is run, yo. Oh, wow. You're gonna steal my kill. You serious? You didn't even ask me. You didn't even talk about it. What are you talking about? Oh my god.
Oh, come on, go, go, go. Iron Boy. Not my boyfriend. Bro, did somebody take it? Did somebody take it? Bro, you do not want the problems. Like, you're shooting. No, because he's shooting, he's killing me. He will die, bro. Like, he's not good. How is it? He's telling me to shut up. He's telling me to shut up 4v1. What? I could easily beat you by myself, bro. You're butt. You're trash. Easily kill you. Bro, Iron Boy, your friend is talking heat, bro. I'm finna kill him. I don't care, bro. He said it's a 4v1. That's the only way you're killing me. Like, I'm better than you. I'm better than you with a 4v1 or without. I could easily smoke you like your butt. You're bad at the game, kid. Nah, I'm not calming down. He's butt. JXXN. I'm coming for you, bro. You're butt. You're trash. Yeah, it's no 4v1 right now. Yeah, using snipers. Easily smoke you, bro. You're butt. You're trash. Bro, let me use the bike. Let me use the Let me use the flying bike. Let me use the Presser Mach 2. Bring it down here. Machine, leave him alone. Whoever you're going after, leave Pop alone. But if Pop comes over here, then that's how we're like cool.
Okay, fine, fine. If you want to talk about this guy, fine then. RNG.
I told you to start up a RNG, but you're not listening. Like, we literally said that. Like, no, you shut up. I'm talking to you. I made a Lil Smoke leave. Pop, sorry, but I have to do this. How do you open a minecart? Oh, just press, no, hold down, what's the name again? L1. He's saying that he's better than me. He's saying that he could beat me and all that. Wait, how about, no, everybody go kill, no, everybody, what's the name again? Banana, leave your motorcycle club, right? Leave your motorcycle club so I can invite all the other people so I could start up my standard ground. So we could get 60,000. So exit your motorcycle club. All right. I'm gonna start mine and I'm gonna invite everybody that was in here.
Listen, Tony Prince again.
All right, so I'm gonna...
What? What banana? I can't friend you. Can you friend me?
Banana, I just invited you.
It's our boy 294.
I just invited, guys, join it. Wait, why he left? He's trash. He's trash. He's using his MC to kill me. He's trash. Don't call my phone number now, booby.
We've lost it. You asked for it. Get behind them.
Let's down Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up. I break that shit down. Speed it up. Down on the game. Bust down. Bust down on the game. Blueface, baby. Yeah, alright. I wanna see you bust down. Bust down, Luciana. I wanna see you bust down. Bro. Let me see if I can if I have a running gun, bro. I could easily smoke you, bro. Like your butt. Oh yeah. Talk all of that. Yeah. Whatever. Yeah, I thought so. What's up, guys? That dude? Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. No, man. Nah, what's good, blood? What's good, blood? Bro, prison is gay. Prison is gay. Who's the top god in here? Who's the top god in here? Oh, that's crazy. We got Ben on our team.
that's where you was.
Hey, my nigga, no gun, my nigga, my nigga. He's so close. Ready up. Hey, Jet Bob, ready up. I thought Jet Bob fast. You never ready up. But I keep it looking. Oh, no gun.
Bro, as soon as... Bro, stop shooting.
Get in the game now. Stop using guns.
Bro, stop shooting me, bro. Stop shooting, bro. Oh my god, bro. Why did you put it on guns? Stop using guns. Stop using guns. Thank you. No, stop talking to me like that. I don't know who you talking to. Bro, I'm on your team. Chop. Chop them.
Stop it! Bro, that's not trash. Everyone's supposed to be checked on.
Oh my god. Chop.
I'm loading. I'm loading. You should have gay shot me down. Wow. Everyone wants to kick still instant.
Chop.
Oh, wow. She's in the gun.
How did you even get time to do the gun glitch, bro? Sucked. Chop. Whoa, oh my god. How? Stop shooting! Bro, why would you put it on guns? How? Kill her, bro. What are you? Nah, since y'all using guns, I'm using guns now. I don't care. Bum. Using guns and we told them not to use it. But we're still kicking them butt. We got 50-45. Bro, stop using guns, bro. Oh my god. Are you deaf?
I'm sure they are.
Yep, they're deaf.
No, I'm looking.
Stop shoot. Bet. Nah, that's it.
Whatever. I have brass knuckles.
How? Just how? Bro, you're in. Never mind. I want to do the gun glitch, but I can't.
I can. I did it. I did the gun glitch.
No, I can. I could do it, but I don't have brass.
I did the gun glitch. I have brass knuckles.
So after this, bum,
That's kind of easy.
bum. Bum. Kill him. Let's go.
They need like a 10 more shooter.
Bro, that little hole, bro.
I'm too busy. Because I'm too busy. I don't have none.
Oh yeah. 8366.
Oh. It's 80. What is this song?
Yeah. Oh.
I should have chopped one of y'all, cause I had that easy chop.
When did it come out? What day?
You better chop me. I'm a nasty, use a nasty girl, use a nasty girl, I'm a nasty. That's 100. That's 100 right there, bro. You better run up on me. Stupid. Stupid. Still killed you. Stupid. Still killed you. Stupid. first place. I got first place. Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, hey, ho, hey, 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 ho, hey, 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 hey. Now let me stop. Bro, next game do not. What's the name again? Do not put it on guns next game. Huh. Oh. Bop. 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 Oh. So I'm gonna put it on team deathmatch. I'm gonna put it on 20 minutes. And I'm gonna do unarmed, okay? Yeah, man. That's what's happening, man. Yeah. Okay, man. Yep, man. Alright, man. Yeah, man. Rich underscore boy underscore guap. Alright. Bye. Tomorrow. Yeah, no, put away the guns. Chop. Out of nowhere. How? Alright, bet, so I'll give you the next one. I'm gonna take this one. Damn. What is he texting me, bro? Somebody please help me out. I'm getting harassed. Oh, yeah, yeah. 24/7. Oh, yeah, yeah. No, they not. Bro. You. Alright, whatever. Use it, nasty girl. I'm a nut in it. Using. Bro, they're double teaming me. What are you doing? Oh my God, what are you doing? Oh, stop trying to get passing. Come on. God, now they're gonna double team me, bro. What are you doing? Bro, you're trash.
He's trying to game shot me. I was getting caught.
Oh, you're bad at chopping. Oh my God. He missed a whole stumble chop that was mad easy to get. That's crazy.
Wow, they're game.
Get away from me, bum.
Wow, game shot.
He didn't even chop me, so why is it saying that he chopped me? What?
Double team.
Chop. Bro, how is that in a... Where are you, bro? How did it get 18, bro? We was the ones winning. Get away from me, you bums.
Get out here. Let's go.
Bro, we gotta catch up, bro. Yo! I got you.
No, you don't.
Still, at least I still chopped him.
I need help.
Same. He gate chopped. He gate chopped me.
Oh, how he killed me? I was glitch running. I got lag running.
Get off him. Get off him.
He gate chopped me.
Get off him.
Gate chopped me.
Get off him. That's what. Chop. Chop. Oh, he got the Cupid mask. Trash. Your butt. How do they have 30, bro? How do they have 29? Bro, how? He has... Well, you ain't catching me, boy. You ain't catching me, boy. You ain't catching me, boy. Get away from me. Get away from me, you harassers. Get away from me. You got me? Bum. Ooh.
Hey, the ball. Oh, they have 30, yo.
I need your help. I need your help. I need your help. Good looking. Behind you. Behind you. Get away from me, you harasser. Chop him.
Oh, they double team me.
Chop. Bro, Rich Boy Guap is trash. I'm sorry. But he's just trash. He gay chops. Should have chopped you out of nowhere. Somebody help me! Damn, bro. Good looking, bro. Come on, we gotta catch up, bro. How? Good looking. Bro, he has quad, bro. God, bro.
I got PSP.
Chop. They didn't even lay one hit on me though. It's crazy.
You think we can get him? Oh, I thought I really chopped him. What? That's chopping nowhere.
Oh, you just chopped him out of nowhere.
He just suicide shot me. I'm coming.
Damn. I'm not gonna be there in time.
Hey, get him for me. Hey, thanks. Just in time.
Come on, help me.
Oh, damn. I got my own guy.
Damn. Chop him. That was an easy chop. I saw it. Get the hell away from me. Oh my god. He's gay chopping me. He's run. Lag run. Oh, I'm coming now. Game over.
I got my guy. Chopper now.
Chop God. Oh my god. Chillax. Ooh, okay. Like that, Chop. Run around, Chop. Okay, see you. Aw, damn. Good stuff. Get out. Come after him. Oh! Shot me out of nowhere. That's crazy.
I got him. Dang it, never mind. I got one guy.
Got him.
I have a spawn. I'm coming over.
The other guy's coming somewhere.
He shot me.
Oh, nah. I'm getting out of here. I'm low. Damn.
No. They're coming.
Run.
I got one.
Try to get the second one. Bro, they're double teaming me, bro. Take one.
I got one of them. I got mine.
I got them. I got him.
Good job. I'm gonna get him. Get the guy that shoots it. Push up in there. Oh, he shot me out of nowhere.
$46, 51.
Pretty good run.
Run.
No, good run.
Hey, Charlie. Oh, yeah.
Dang it, he got me. He run around, shot me. And I'm gonna get quad. I got quad. I got quad in.
Uh,
I had a gun. I put my gun on. Oh, chopping now.
okay, Chop God. See you in the cut.
I'm trying to get the guy in the blue joggers. Okay. I might get both. Got him.
Got him.
Got him. Good job. Hey, I'm gonna get her. Protect me. I'm gonna get her. Are they both after you? Got him.
Take that.
Oh, they're so sweet.
Me too. Same.
I got 1.5.
I got 1.5x too.
They're trying to get off me. Look, got him. You got him?
He's killing me. Let's go, bro. Come on. All right, now we definitely gotta win, bro. We gotta win. There's only 3 minutes.
This one doesn't kill you. I still got my kill streak on. Oh, he almost got me. I'm glitching him. I got him.
Let's go. I'm gonna take red. Take red joggers.
No. Hey, help me.
Oh, he chopped me. He killed me. Damn. We're still winning.
You got
Oh, they're coming after me? They're coming after me, bro?
I'm back.
Ooh. He's gonna chop me?
No, I got
Chop.
Got him. Oh, you got him? Well, you both got him. So, we both got him. Oh, I need to get him. Oh, got him.
Chop him. Chop him.
Got my player.
Rich boy behind you. Rich boy behind you. This is like a Call of Duty type shit.
Do you need any help?
Yeah.
Well, he's a guy.
Bum. Still got him.
He's salty. He's salty. They both need some guns. Oh my kid, roll!
Bum.
Oh, he's go. He's out.
I don't trust over here, bro.
Got him.
Good looking, good looking.
I'm looking both ways to see if they come this way.
Oh, he's killed. Good. Bro, they sold.
I got him. Hey, no gun.
No guns, bro.
I got him. Yes, I said no gun.
No guns. He's scared.
Got him. I'm gonna put him on my back if he steps me.
Let him. Let's go, bro. GG. GG. Let's go. We made him rage quit. Yo. Yeah. I'm definitely doing that. Good teamwork. Good teammate.
Replay it. Friend request. Send me a friend request.
Yeah, I am. Oh, he.
I was trying to get white and blue joggers on this character. But my other character, I'm a level 200 something. Hey, send me a friend request.
Alright, and friend request me.
Okay. You're level 35 chop god.
Yup.
I'm a level 125 chop god.
Bro, I'm a chop god, but I'm a level 35, bro. Yo, I was killing the hell out of. Yo, I'm telling you, bro. We did a good job. Bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah.
Where's the free throw?
What you said?
Where's the free? Okay, we got baby. Hey, you want to team again?
Yeah. Team again.
Let's go. We're level 219. Take the level 219 and keep level 33 in the 80. Or do you want to do a 2v3?
Matter of fact, kick the 219 right now.
Kick the 60.
Kick the 60?
No, kick the 219. Kick the 219.
Dang.
The 219.
You said it too late.
Okay. We can be a 2v3.
And
Okay?
nah, you're not out there.
Hey, look at the number. Look at the number. He got 1,000 wins.
My bad. I wanna call you back.
1,000 wins.
I said I wanted to call you back.
Hey.
Bro, it's like because I made this new outfit and it's like, how could I say it? Yeah.
I got you, buddy. Oh, stop him, not north,
What'd you say?
Got him.
You said what?
I got him. I chopped him out
Oh.
of nowhere. Now he has white joggers, now he's trying to kill me with white joggers, now I'm getting mad, and yeah! Hey, Spider, chill, hold good, Spider. He's a gay chopper, he likes the gay chopper a lot. He's a good gay chopper. Well, hell, he just caught me out of nowhere.
Gay shop. He gay shop me. I'm not coming at one.
Oh, I could've got that dog tattoo. That's the two.
I'm not coming at no one. None. I'll try and see if I could come on the weekend. The weekdays. I meant weekdays. Yeah. I don't know, like 5.
Hey. It has to be 4 and down. Hey, Spider.
Alright, so I'll try to come too.
Hey, Spider. I'm Timmy. Now I'm getting glitched.
So come like a 1, and then you could be like 1,
You killed me.
3, and then leave like a 3.
Spider.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch ya. Don't worry, I'm gonna watch ya.
Chocolate out of nowhere. Chocolate now.
You know what
Yeah?
it is, right?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
It's alright.
Hey, are you gonna be on Fortnite?
Oh, gate chopper alert. Gate chopper alert.
Spider.
Yeah.
Join my party.
But oh, my bad. My bad. I didn't know that was you.
I sent you an invite. Did you accept it? Accept my party invite. Fortnite?
4. Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Chop him out of nowhere. I got this kid. He's trying to kill me with white joggers. Oh, chop out of nowhere! Chop out of nowhere! Yeah, but I don't like playing it. I don't like when you're bored.
He might kill me. He's walking on me. He already knows he's walking over me. I might chop him on real quick. I killed one.
Bro, I'm gonna chop one of them out of nowhere. Cause I chopped the guy in the black or white joggers. He could have dodged chopped me. No, he dodged. Oh, he chopped you. Damn.
He visible shot me. Bet. He wants to visible shot me. Bet.
Damn.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
And I think you beat it up your phone.
Damn. Why you beating up your phone? Like, it didn't do anything to you?
That's what you did to your phone.
I'm gonna use it on the gym, guys.
I'm going after the black. Matter of fact, let me just take him real quick. Ah! It's alright. It's alright. I'm going after black. You trying to do the gun glitch?
He did it. He says you bought no quad. He ain't no quad.
Got him. Let me go kill the red.
Okay, go kill him. Go kill this guy. He's trying to get me. He gets on me. Hello. Give me no game.
Can I ask you a question?
I'm gonna keep you up the game.
Boy, can I ask you a question?
No game up.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
No, they're double teaming. They're double teaming. Coming north.
I was trying to chop him out of nowhere. Yeah, what's the question?
Wait.
Huh?
I chopped him out of nowhere. He's still alive.
You come?
He's gone.
Probably.
Huh?
Probably.
Oh,
That's not what you're gonna say, yo.
Yes.
That is cool.
What if I don't?
Got a couple things.
I got him. I could have chopped him out of nowhere, but I hit him on butt.
I'm a smack you. Come on, let's fight. Come on, bitch.
Catching me, boy. Ain't gonna catch me, boy.
I got squad for Timmy. I'm gonna kill Timmy in the squad.
It's alright.
Bro, Timmy's trash. Go to Timmy. No, he gave to me. He gave to me.
Bro, the guy in the black is so hard to stumble chop.
He just gave to me. I talked about Jim again. Jim's gay. Jim is gay. Jim's gay. That's yours. Jim only got 11 kills. That's okay.
Bro, he's acting like I won't. Okay, what's the name again? Chop him out of nowhere again.
Timmy, don't kill me. I'm gonna put on the same outfit you have on. Timmy, where you at? I'm gonna put on the same outfit you have on. Never stop killing me.
Oh, he dodged stumble chop me. He dodged stumble chop me.
I'm gonna kill him. There's a guy in the red.
But that's me.
He's right here. He's right here. He's trying to kill me. He's trying to run away, but he's being tracked and don't know how to run. I'm trying to kill a guy in the dark red right here. Right here, I'm trying to get help. Let me get help.
Wait, do you have a black t-shirt one?
I'll change the outfit to me and my girlfriend that me and my girlfriend made. I'm gonna try to kill Kareem real quick. He's so hard to double shot.
No, right?
Like impossible. I'm getting double teamed by a guy. I just got double teamed by a guy. I just got double teamed by Canyon and Jim.
You know, I'm the one with the 10 joggers and the red.
Oh, my bad. I'm about to kill Jim right here. He just messed me up. Jim, what's his name? Kimmy, Spider just messed me, no, Kimmy just messed me up. I want to kill a guy right here.
Yeah. Yes.
No, she's talking on the phone. I'm gonna put on the face. I'm gonna put on this outfit. I mean, Kimmy has lag switch. I'm about to come out of nowhere.
Wait, tomorrow's your
I just killed Kimmy. I mean, this is
Oh, Jesse, but you know the happy
my
death
stack.
day came out?
He just shot me. He
No, it
just
doesn't
shot me.
matter. My friend was like, my friend went yesterday. What's her time? We went there. Well, she went. You can watch it. She's 12, and the other girls are 12. She's not going to win. She's gonna go
That's
home.
taking my life. He fixed my life. So there we go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, yeah, 24/7.
I just killed them. Oh, that was fire. Oh, my bad, Spider.
By 1 year, chillax. 1 year, chillax.
What you said?
I said you're older than us by 1 year, chillax.
Who? I'm not 12, I'm 11.
I never said you were 12.
What?
I never said you were 12.
I just cut Spider out of nowhere.
No, you don't.
She's not talking to you. I got Spider out of nowhere, and I'm gonna get it together.
Shut up. Shut up. Oh, that's you? That's you?
Yeah. I'm with the blue joggers. Hi. That's the annoying girl.
I want the pink and red joggers. I don't want the black joggers. I mean, if I could get the black joggers, I'll get the black joggers, but...
I just killed, he's in the black joggers. I'm in the blue joggers. Hey, stop it.
Oh, that's you?
I want the blue joggers. No se te van a conectar porque ya están.
Wait, we're in game chat? Yo! I didn't even notice that we was in game chat. That's me, that's me. That's me. What the hell? Damn, that hurt. Ah.
Wait, my mom's calling me. Wait.
Wait, my mom's calling me.
Wait. My mama's calling me. Wait.
Everyone will team up on GTA underscore monster.
Nah. That's my friend. You ain't gonna team up on him.
Everyone will team up on GTA Monster Jam. That's me though. No, I'm playing. One sec, don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm looking at my friend and see if someone wants to play with me. I can help y'all.
Bro,
I'm trying to get
can you help me with the red joggers and the pink ones?
Let me show you my outfit. Look, I have black joggers, red joggers, and black and red joggers.
I need the red joggers. You try to hit me. Look at my outfits.
I have the mission.
Wait, you have the mission? Help me get the red joggers then.
I got him. I got Jimmy. I'm about to kill. I'm about to just chop him on the elbow. Help. And let me get my kill off of you. I'm kidding. Where you at?
Bro, this is my really? Do you wanna fight? Nah, shut up.
Okay, quiet, you shut up.
I'm not even talking to you, so how about you be quiet and shut up?
I'm talking to you. How about you? I'm talking to my sister. How about you?
I'm about to chop him out of nowhere.
Chop out of nowhere? I didn't even gate chop you. I chopped you out of nowhere. That's not a gate chop.
His name is Jim. I'm gonna go. I got him. I'm about to got him. Oh, you got him.
Woo! Wee! Woo! Bro, help me get the red joggers. Help me get the red joggers.
Kimmy, send me a friend request. You have to send me a friend request.
I'm gonna send you friend request. Okay. No, damn well you're not. It says that you can't that we can't add you.
That who can't add who?
Yo, mind your business.
Yo, mind your business. I'm not minding.
Mind your business. Mind your business. Mind your business.
It's my
Mind your business. Mind your what? Mind your business. Huh.
get it together.
Huh. You get it together.
It's my business.
Shut up, cause you look like you breaking your neck. Shut up.
I'm the breaking expert.
Dumbass. Wait. Oh, that's what you look like.
Huh?
Spider.
I'm gonna show you. Go to the map. I'm gonna show you. Do this. So she can know where it. It's faster. Look.